Hello, and welcome to Bima's Crafty Corner. I am Bima, better known as Els, and this is the third week of our Monday Mixed Media Mini Morsels. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to allow the computer to choose at random from 50 prompts that we use in our regular mixed medias on Saturday nights. You can get a copy of this list by going to my Google Drive. There's a link in the description box below that'll take you to this list, and you can get a copy for yourself if you'd like. So I'm going to draw 5 of these. We're going to go ahead and record the ones that we're pulling, and then you can use them at your leisure. You can add to them if you feel you need to. You can subtract from them. You can combine them. You can do anything you want with these, all right? So our first one is number 46, and 46 is to use Q-tips. I can't spell tonight. Oh. The next one is 42, and that is to doodle. 49, add words. Number 28, that's a wild card. We'll talk about that one. And number 13, which is to add a border. All right, so Q-tips. All you have to do is take a Q-tip. You can paint with it. You can use it to smudge colors. You can just pull the cotton bud off, use the stick, whatever. Doodling is just that. Just doodle anything you want. Draw anything you want. You can draw flowers. You can draw stars. You can draw hearts. You can just scribble, whatever it is. Adding words. Now, you can add words any way that you want. You can print them on the page. You can use a rubber stamp. You can pull them out of a magazine or off newspaper or something like that. You can add those. A wild card is you can do anything that you want. You can paint. You can add ephemera, anything that you want to do. That's what the wild card is. And to add a border is to put some kind of a border around your piece. That's it. That's the whole thing. That's it. So you get about 2 weeks to do this. And if you would like to post it to the Facebook group, we would love to see it. And the link for that is also in the description box below. Just go down and click on the more, and it's going to open it up. You'll see the link for Facebook and all the other things, as well as the link to this list. Okay? So until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.